Wolfe. Welcome to my cooking show. Come with me. Come into my kitchen. Today we are going to be baking chocolate coconut bars. They were one of my great-grandma's favourites. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 150 degrees. First, we whisk an egg. Ta-da! We just need to melt the butter. Put the brown sugar into the egg and butter. Okay, I'm putting now. 1 cup of coconut. Now we sift plain flour. Now sift self-raising flour. Last step, 1 spoon of cocoa. Behold. Pour it into a lined pan. Behold! Now we are going to put it in the oven. Bake for 20 minutes. While it's cooking, we make the icing. 1 cup icing sugar, 1 tablespoon of cocoa, 1 teaspoon of melted butter. Add a dash of milk. Now we stir. It's always good to get help from a sister. Yummy. And that's 20 minutes. Didn't fly by. It smells delicious. Now let's munch them up. Thank you for cooking with Wolfe. I hope you have fun. Bye.